Hi there, it's Di with WTI. And who doesn't want to have in their wardrobe a great boho style lace top? And this one from Aleumdr is just amazing. I love all the little details it has. So it has this crochet here, or how would you explain? Yeah, crochet and then lace and things like that. And the material itself is very flowy. It's 95% polyester, so if you're not a fan of polyester, which I am not, and still I think this is actually a very flowy and enjoyable material, but it's not afraid of wrinkles. So even when it gets wrinkly, it actually like adds to the character of it. And I like to tuck it in to my pants or skirt. Decided to get the size XL because I wanted to make sure that there's enough space for me, whatever I want to be doing, like do I want to like tuck it in, and also gives that flowiness. So I think it's a cool looking shirt, whatever way you're looking at it. The colors themselves, they don't feel annoying at all. This is a look that goes well with the boho, but also very old school, old world look. You can combine this blouse so easily with anything you're wearing. I think this shirt is a must-have for every wardrobe. But that, of course, is just my point of view.